Want to turn your still images into mind-blowing, realistic videos in 2026? Today, I'm showing you how to do exactly that using Runway's groundbreaking Gen 4.5 model. If you haven't heard of Runway yet, they are a powerhouse in the AI space. They're building what they call real-world intelligence, which basically means AI models that can understand, simulate, and act in our physical world. Their creative platform is an all-in-one cloud-based workspace where you can generate and edit video, images, and audio. Millions of creatives around the world are already using it, and they've even partnered with major names like Lionsgate. The star of the show right now is Gen 4.5. Runway describes this as their best video model yet, focusing heavily on state-of-the-art motion quality, strict prompt adherence, and incredible visual fidelity. To turn your images into videos, the process is incredibly straightforward. You simply log into Runway Creative, upload your starting image, and type in a prompt describing how you want the scene to move. Because Gen 4.5 is powered by their advanced general world models, it actually understands the visual dynamics of the world, allowing it to simulate realistic camera pans, physics, and character movements that look incredibly natural. Now, since Gen 4.5 is a cutting-edge release, we don't have a massive database of public user reviews or independent feedback to share just yet. However, looking at the technology, the pros are very clear. You get unmatched motion quality, a highly intuitive cloud workspace, and a free trial to get you started. On the flip side, because these models are so advanced, getting the exact motion you want through prompting can sometimes take a bit of trial and error. My final thoughts? Runway is pushing the absolute limits of what's possible with AI video. If you want to elevate your creative projects, you should absolutely check it out. Head over to runway.com, try it for free, and see what you can create. If you found this quick guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you're planning to build with Gen 4.5. See you in the next video.